In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. Now, VLOOKUP is an incredibly powerful and useful tool that enables you to search for a specific value in one column and return a corresponding value from another column. This is particularly handy when working with large datasets where quick and efficient data retrieval is crucial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up. First, you'll want to start by opening up Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to your Google Drive and either create a new sheet or open an existing one where you intend to use the VLOOKUP function. It's important to have your data organized in columns, as VLOOKUP operates across vertical arrays, hence the V for vertical in VLOOKUP. Take a moment to ensure your data is structured appropriately, because this organization will make the next steps much more seamless. Once you've got your sheet open and your data is ready, the next step is to click on cell H2, or any cell where you want the result of your VLOOKUP function to appear. It's vital to choose an easy-to-reference spot, so you can swiftly find it when needed or when presenting data. Now that you are in the right cell, it's time to type in the formula. Begin by typing the equal sign to let Google Sheets know you're about to input a function. Next, type VLOOKUP, followed by an opening parenthesis. The basic syntax of a VLOOKUP function is VLOOKUP search key range index is sorted. Let's break it down. Search key is the value you want to search for. Range encompasses all the cells in the columns you want to search through. Index is the column number in the range from which you want to pull the result, and is sorted is a true or false value indicating whether the column is sorted and should Google Sheets return an approximate or an exact match. Be sure to enter your specific range of cells correctly to capture the data you're interested in looking up. For example, if your search key is in column A and you want to retrieve matching data from column B, your range might be something like A2B100. Don't forget to specify the column index number from which you want to get a value. Ensure clarity by doubling check your entries to prevent any hiccups here. Finally, with everything in place, simply hit the Enter key. This action will trigger the calculation. And voila! Google Sheets will swiftly return the data from the designated column that corresponds to your search key. Feel free to modify your function as needed until it perfectly suits your data retrieval needs. With a bit of practice, using VLOOKUP can significantly enhance your data management and analytical capabilities within Google Sheets. Remember, understanding the nuts and bolts of these functions can save you a mountain of time and streamline your workflow. Happy spreadsheeting!